Well, hello YouTube. Objective in this tutorial will be to write very simple C program that will help us to determine if one number is bigger than two other numbers we enter. Basically, we will grab three numbers and determine if one is bigger than the rest of them. So we can use floats, integers, doubles here, whatever you like. So for simplicity reasons, I'm gonna just create a couple of integers that we will grab from end user. So printf information to end user what needs to be typed, like enter first number, a little bit of new line, and well-known scanf function placeholder will be %d because we are rolling with integers, and this will be for number 1. So to save a little bit of time, I'm gonna copy paste this multiple times. This will be for sound number, and this will be number 2, and down there we're gonna roll with number 3, which will be the third number. So this is just data extraction from end user, and now we will roll with if check. First we must establish if those three numbers are equal to each other. Okay, so that will roll into if check. So if number 1 equals number 2, and if number 2 equals number 3, then we can just safely say then that numbers are same. So numbers are same stuff, right? Numbers are same. And next line. So much about equality between them. Now else if will be dedicated to check if number 1 is a primary, like if number 1 is a bigger or equal to number 2, and if number 1 is bigger or equal to number 3. Okay, so number 1 is a primary check here basically. I don't know why I have this messed up, but anyway, so now we can say that that number D is the largest number. Okay, this is simple stuff, and we will concatenate that with number 1 because that's a primary check. So okay, let me check this. Okay, that's cool. I'm gonna copy paste this when we check for number 2. Okay, number 2. Now this number 2 must be bigger than number 1, and again number 2 must be bigger than number 3. So D is the largest number. Okay, but this time we care about number 2, and this check will be for number 3. If number 3 is bigger than number 1, and number 3 is bigger than number 2, now that number is bigger than rest of them basically. So yeah, we are checking for number 3 here in reality. And where is return 0? Okay, I need to fix this code a little bit, like vertically. Okay, right. I think this will work. So first let's test for equality, like first number, second number, third number. Numbers are same. Right, so this will work, but I need to put that grammatical dot right here because otherwise I'm gonna, I don't know, I'm just like that. So let's revert this to like negative stuff, like negative 10 and 20 and 30, and 30 is the largest number, and that works. And next thing is like 40 and 20 and 5, and 40 is the largest number. So basically this script, I mean C program works. And let's repeat one more time what's happening. First we're establishing three Blanco variables that will be fulfilled with data from end user. %d because we are working with integers, and then we one after another fill those variables, like this call for number 1, and so on and so on. This check, primary if check, is if these numbers are same. So there is no need to check if number 1 is equal to number 3 if we are checking if number 1 is equal to number 2 and number 2 is equal to number 3. So this will work. in any case. And now here we are checking if number 1 is bigger than 2 and 3, if number 2 is bigger than 1 and 3, and if number 3 is bigger than 1 and 2, of course, and then we are printing that final message. A lot of codes, relatively same stuff, but there you go. This is one of the way how to do stuff. You can use nest diffs here. You can create functions, but this is intended to be used by very beginners, so it works anyway. Right, 6 minutes tutorial, nothing special here. Thank you for watching as always. Thank you for sharing this channel with other people, and see you in the next tutorial, in probably not in this evening, maybe tomorrow morning, something like that. So anyway, there will be a lot of these tutorials, probably hundreds. So thank you for watching, and see you next one. Ciao, ciao.